Now the next thing to do is to select on this surface here, select sketch, select centerline. From this point to this, be careful here, don't click here on this point here. Escape, polygon, smart dimension 9, escape, select this line and this line here and make them collinear. Features, Extruded Cut, from blind to up to surface. Select the surface here and select OK. Now, as you can see, I have the same shapes. Right. At the moment, forget about the holes here, because in order to make them correspond to formulas and equations, we have to do it at the end. Edit component to get out of this component. Thank you for watching. The next tutorial we're gonna have a look of how to design the next component, which is a fixed jaw. Thanks for watching. See you next time.